In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring invoices in Wave Accounting. If you bill clients on a regular schedule, setting up recurring invoices will save you time and help you get paid consistently. Let's walk through it together from start to finish, so you feel confident the first time you try it. First, open your browser, go to Wave Accounting and log in to your account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click on Sales. From there, choose Recurring Invoices. This is the hub where you can see any schedules you've already created and make new ones. To start a new one, click Create a Recurring Invoice. You'll begin by adding customer information. If the customer is already in your list, select them. If not, click Add a Customer to create a new profile. Make sure the customer's email address is correct so invoices are delivered successfully, and check that their currency and address match your records. Next, enter the invoice details. Give your invoice a clear title or description so your customer immediately knows what it's for. Add your products or services as line items and fill in the quantity, price, and any taxes if they apply to your region. You can include multiple items, and it's a good idea to write short, clear descriptions so there's no confusion later. Double check amounts and tax rates before moving on. Now set the recurring schedule. Choose how often the invoice should repeat: weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Pick the option that matches your agreement with the customer. If you bill monthly, consider aligning it with a consistent day of the month to keep your cash flow predictable. Select the start date for when the first recurring invoice should begin. You can start today or pick a future date if the contract begins later. This date controls when Wave generates each new invoice in the series. If you want to make payments even easier, you can enable automatic payments by turning on online payments. This lets customers pay directly from the invoice, and in many cases they can authorize automatic charges each cycle. Keep in mind that payment processing fees may apply. Customize your email settings so the communication feels personal and clear. Add a custom message for your customers and choose whether invoices are sent automatically on schedule or if you prefer to review them first. When everything looks good, click Save and Continue or Create Recurring Invoice. Wave will take it from here and generate invoices according to your schedule. That's it. Thanks for watching.